Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can give admin access to your friends, to your co-workers, to your whatever the person that you want to give them the admin access. Well, basically there is multiple options to give that access, and I will show you all of these options one by one. So please make sure to follow my video step by step until the end of it. So let's go guys and start this tutorial. Now first of all, please open the WordPress dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. Of course this page will not be opened for you until you log in by putting your username and password in here. After you do so, this page will be opened for you. Well, there is multiple options to give your friend the access. One of them is by giving them this username and password that you have already put in here, which is not really secure because he can later on change it and steal your stuff or data. The other way, which is going to users, from here, from the dashboard menu, users, you can create or add a new user, and you put here the username, here is the email, here for first name, last name, here is the password, you can generate it, and here you make it an administrator. This is the second way how to give it the access. The third way, which is basically giving him all the access by going to settings. From settings you give him the access from this administration email address, you change it, and he will be the admin officially of this website. Of course there is multiple other ways which like giving him the information about your domain name, so he can like change the whole WordPress page. You can also give him the information about your cPanel, which will give him the access to the whole WordPress data. He can delete it, change it, edit it, and much more. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually give someone the access or the admin access. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.